Come and me teach you patwah now. Hello everyone and welcome to Shan's Patwah Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. Now, in this lesson series, I will be teaching you Jamaican Patois through song lyrics. This is where I translate and explain the first few lines of the song and show you the Jamaican Patois grammar and explain the context. Now, obviously, for copyright reasons, I won't be playing the music or the video or using the entire lyrics, just a few of the lines. So I suggest that you watch this video and then listen to the song on another channel, and maybe you can understand a little bit better what the artist is saying. Once again, I am unable to translate the entire song lyrics, but I hope you find this video helpful. Today's song was requested by a subscriber. I'm so excited, guys. It's like I feel like I'm a YouTuber now. I mean, I can say because you guys requested this and all of that. And although it was requested by just one person, but I'm still excited about it. Anyway, today's song is Cool as the Breeze or Friday by Chronixx. So let's dive right in. The first line, roll out we cool like the breeze, wallet thick like a science book, swear a school, mega teach. Now, roll out means to leave from a place with the intention of going to another place. So if you leave your house with the intention to go to the party, you roll out. Roll out is to leave from somewhere. We cool like the breeze. In English should be we leave out looking really good. We cool like the breeze. It could be we're chill, or it could be how we look. Like it could be how they look, or it could be their attitude. Wallet thick like a science book. A science book is usually thick, so it's just comparing the wallet, the size of the wallet, to a science book. And what thickens a wallet is usually money. So he's probably saying here that they have a lot of money. Swear a school mega teach, continuing with the science book analogy. So I could be mistaken for a teacher. That's what swear means. So swear in Jamaican Patois means you could be mistaken for something that you're not, or a thing could be mistaken for another thing. Swear also means to swear, like the English meaning of the word, but in this case it means to be mistaken for something else, and in this case a teacher, because it says swear a school mega teach. But I think it's just continuing from the science book comparison. Then it says me ago. Me ago in Jamaican Patois is how you use the continuous tense. Me ago teach, I am going to teach. So me ago means I am going to do something. So that's I'm just pointing out the grammar here, like Patois. This is unique to Jamaican Patois. Next, it says rev the truck up to the mountain top, and as soon as me reach, go get the skunk, kick the shoes off my feet. Rev the truck up to the mountain top means the same thing in English. Rev the truck up to the mountain top, and as soon as me reach. And as soon as I get there. Now, Chronixx songs mix a lot of Patois with English. So, like in Jamaica, we speak Patois on a continuum. So there on one end of the spectrum is Jamaican Standard English. On the other end is Jamaican Creole, and usually Jamaicans float along that line. So we're usually mixing the language, or in certain settings you speak Jamaican Standard English. In certain settings, some people speak the raw Jamaican Patois, but usually, on average, most people mix. They exist somewhere along the spectrum. Get the skunk. Um, Go get the skunk. Here, I'm not sure, but I think maybe skunk is referring to weed. The reason why I say this is because weed or marijuana is usually compared to a lot of things that smell because it has such a strong smell. So the only thing that makes sense to me right here is weed. So if somebody who is listening this, if I'm wrong, please write it in the comments. Let me know. And then he says, kick the shoes off my feet. And in English, it would be the same thing. Kick the shoes off my feet. Take off my shoes. Then me bless the cup. 32 Psalms me read. Give thanks for the love me receive. Now this part, then me bless the cup. In English, so it would be then I bless the cup. And usually to bless something means either to pray over it or to give gratitude for it. So I'm not sure the context here. I'm not sure what he means exactly. But the next line says 32 Psalms me read, and this translates to I read Psalms 32 or I read 32 Psalms. I think it means Psalms 32. So the fact that he follows up with then me bless the cup, 32 Psalms me read, I'm thinking maybe the bless that he mentions earlier was like give gratitude for or to pray over. Next he says, give thanks for the love me receive, and this means give thanks for the love that I receive. Next, me work every day in the streets and every day end with nights like these. When a holiday me touch upon the beach, white t-shirt and a cut-off jeans. So the first line, me work every day in the streets. I work every day in the streets. And every day end with nights like these. Translated, it would be, and every day ends with nights like these. It's the same. When a holiday me touch upon the beach. When it's a holiday, we go to the beach. So we touch in Jamaican Patois is we go. And this is a verb, actually. So this can be conjugated to touching at the streets. We are going to touch the road. We touched the road. We did touch the road. So the verb touch here means to go. White t-shirt and a cut-off jeans means the same. White t-shirt and a cut-off jeans. Next, we don't need no sneakers. English would be, and we don't need any sneakers. Now, double negatives are a feature of the Jamaican Patois, where in English you wouldn't have it. What I mean by this is, the English sentence would be, and we don't need any sneakers. But in English we say, and we know, no means don't, need no sneakers. So no is used where any or no would be used in English. The sun grains massage my feet. In English would be the sun grains are massaging my feet. The same. And a massage means are massaging. We met this in an earlier up in the video. The present continuous, we use a in front of a verb. So it's a massage means are massaging. Blessings that flow like river is the same. A flow means are flowing. So blessings are flowing like a river. So to form the present continuous tense, you just add a in front of the verb in Jamaican Patois. Girl drop asleep means girl fell asleep. She steams the indica. She steamed the indica. This means in English, she steams the indica. So indica here means cannabis. It's from the cannabis plant. I'm not sure if this is the actual marijuana, but the side effects of this is to cause um, drowsiness and people to fall asleep. So I'm thinking that's why he said earlier, girl drop asleep. And then him say, wake her up and say, wake her and to say. So the core, this part says, sun burning up till it red. Welcome to Kingston. Every day is a summer. Every night feel like a Friday. Rev the bike till them swear is a hummer. So the till it red there means until it's red. It says, welcome to Kingston. Every day is a summer. In English, this would be welcome to Kingston. Every day is summer. Every night feel like a Friday. Every night feels like a Friday. So if you notice, we don't add the S to verbs in order to, verbs don't really operate like that in Jamaican Patois. There, we don't add S to the verbs. In order to change the verbs, we add something in front of it, like a, de, ago, and to get different tenses. But you'll see that in my other videos. I explain those kinds of things further. Rev the bike till them swear is a Hummer. Rev the engine of the bike, I guess, until they think it's a Hummer. And once again, we meet till, which means in English until. Them means they or them, but it's contextual, and in this context, it's they. Swear means think, and is this we met this earlier as well. So swear means to make mistake something for something else, or to think something is something else. So in this case, you're gonna rev the bike until people think that it's a Hummer. High grade a make we are red. The high grade. This line means marijuana is making our eyes. So high grade is marijuana. Amek, and once again we see this, the a in front of the verb, and it means is making. Still we now go ready eye finna body things. This means still we are not going to become envious of others for their things. So we now go means we are not going to. Ready eye means to become envious, and this is a term we use in Jamaica where if you are envious or jealous of somebody's belongings or anything that they possess, not just things, but any aspect of their life that they possess, if you are jealous of it or envious of it, we say that term is ready eye. You're ready eye. So that means to be envious. Every night a Friday. So this means every night is Friday. Okay, that takes us to the end of this commentary, Jamaican Patois grammar commentary, learning Jamaican Patois through song lyrics. If you'd like to see me comment on another song, a song that you like, maybe I can help you to understand it a little better. Heavy on the maybe. But if you'd like to see another song, if you'd like to request a song, I can translate it and explain it, or point out the grammar points or the cultural context or all of those. I can try. So please leave it in the comment section below. That takes us to the end of this lesson. I hope you found it informative, or at the very least, a little bit helpful, because understanding half of a song is better than understanding none of the song. Thank you so much for watching. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine.